Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Oliver Smith.
Well, we still have a few showers over the Warner Mountains at this particular time, light snow showers, and we also have some snow showers along the Cascades, some light rain showers just east of Medford at this particular time. All this activity is moving from the west towards the east. Now we get into Siskiyou County, still a few showers in and around Wairika, but those showers are diminishing quite a bit. Now further up towards the north, there are some freezing rain showers, sleet showers, and some rain showers along the Oregon coast. This area of activity is going to be moving towards the southeast. We'll drift into parts of our region for tonight, enhancing the chance of showers, so not completely killing everything for tonight until we get towards early tomorrow morning. That system that gave us all the nasty weather today is pushed way off into Idaho. Here is that organized little band of showers moving in to the region for tonight. Now we did pick up a lot of rain, especially if you melt everything down and if you receive snow for today. About ½ an inch to 2/3 of an inch east of the Cascades, right around an inch, give or take about 1/1500ths for Shasta Valley. 1.3 inches here in Medford. That was a record for today's date. And you can see the rainfall amounts ranging from about 1.25 inches to about 1 2/3 inches for Grants Pass and Sexton Summit. A lot of rain along the Oregon coast, between 2 to 3 inches for Northern California. Brookings made almost 4 inches of rain for today, and a little bit lighter up towards North Gold Beach. Not sure what happened with that sensor. That's not quite accurate. But in terms of rainfall amounts for the rest of the night tonight and into early tomorrow, you can see very little rain throughout the region, and also for snow. Most of the activity will actually stay into the mountains, especially if we get any more snow showers for tonight. Now, the flood advisory for Josephine and Jackson County have been canceled by the National Weather Service, but there's still that flood warning for Curry County and western Josephine County for the Chetco River, still peaking about 22.7 feet. That is going to be very close to a historical peak, so that'll be some concern for tonight. That's not set to expire until early tomorrow morning. Now there's also a flash flood watch for the Rogue River over by Eagle Point through 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Again, from all the heavy rain that we've experienced, the forecast in terms of the height of that particular river is going to get up to about 9 feet, 10 feet. We can start seeing farmland being flooded. So hopefully we don't actually make it to that 9 feet. But in terms of winds, it was blustery east of the Cascades. We did have a wind advisory for the Shasta Valley. That's since expired. And it was also pretty windy along the Oregon coast, generally 40 to 45 miles an hour. Now there's still that in terms of the Siskiyou County and the Siskiyou Mountains, east of the Cascades and the Cascades, we're still looking at the winter storm warnings, all set to expire for 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. Now, some of this has already fallen, but Lake of the Woods up toward north of Lake of the Woods, extending out towards the Warner Mountains, could be looking at 8 to 20 inches of snow. Again, some of that has already fallen. We're still looking at a light glaze of ice accumulation along parts of, again, Siskiyou, Cascades, and east side. And for the valleys, could be looking at a little bit of some light snow as well. So the mess isn't completely gone just yet. Now, in terms of our snowfall for tonight and through tomorrow, you can see light amounts of snow, especially compared to today. Anywhere between 1 to 6 inches over towards Lake County. A lot less, especially once we get towards Klamath Falls. You were getting hit pretty hard earlier, and then up along the Cascades, anywhere from a couple inches to still upwards of 1.5 foot over by Crater Lake, 5 to 10 inches for Lake of the Woods, and a lot less down to our south. Now the system, again, that gave us all the rain and snow will continue to push off towards the east, so we'll still have some showers throughout the morning hours, especially east of the Cascades and farther up towards the north. But that'll continue to push off towards the east for the day tomorrow. We'll see some clearing throughout the day, and it actually might be a kind of a nice day after we get rid of maybe some remnant showers. But then we go through Monday morning, we'll start seeing more clouds and some fog, especially east of the Cascades, but a pretty nice day overall. Then things change once we get towards Tuesday. Here comes our next system moving into the region, and it could be freezing rain or snow east of the Cascades, and it could also be freezing rain in the Willamette Valley up to the north. So if you're planning on traveling north on Tuesday, be aware of that, because there is that freezing rain potential. There's also that freezing rain potential in Klamath County. We'll get into that more in the days to come. But tonight's forecast, temperatures uppers 20s, low 30s east side, right around 35 degrees into the Shasta Valley, low 40s along the Oregon coast. And for tomorrow, we'll be right around 50 degrees, low 40s down to our south, upper 30s east of the Cascades. So your 7-day forecast for the Oregon coast will stay into the 50s, warming to near 60 degrees. By the time we get to the end of the week, we'll see some rain. by the time we get to Wednesday and Thursday. Northern California will have highs pretty much into the 40s. The one dry day will be on Monday. We'll see some rain by the time we get to Wednesday. Klamath Basin, your scenario in terms of snow levels will actually be fairly high once we get towards the middle part of the week, so we're not really going to be looking at much snow, but cool temperatures overall. Same kind of scenario for the Cascades. We'll see some snow for Wednesday and into Thursday, but really it's not going to be all that much because snow levels will be pretty high. And here in the Rogue Valley, we'll see some rain by the time we get to Wednesday, but other than that, it'll be a fairly quiet week.